She may not be quite as in vogue as she was a few years ago, but what she brought to the world is always in fashion. I'm Jay Cleveland Payne, and this is Steps to Your Better You. We are talking about Marie Kondo, who many people may not be talking about in the mainstream currently, but what she's saying is right now pretty much needed in the times that we live right now. Marie Kondo is a lifestyle expert who comes into your house and literally tells you to throw stuff away. She looks into your house, looks at your possessions, and looks to help people declutter their houses and organize themselves with the main point of, does this thing bring you joy? Literally go through everything in your house, and if it doesn't make you happy, then you get rid of it. If it makes you happy, but it becomes something that becomes kind of a pain to deal with, then you probably need to get rid of it or figure out your emotions attached to that. So this may not be about your house, your garage, your bedroom, but let's think about your life and trying to condo your life because it's a bit cluttered and it's a little bit frustrating. Think about the things in your life that bring you joy. If they bring you joy, then put them aside and you will deal with them in just a minute. But if they don't bring you joy, if they basically make you angry, make you upset, you need to find ways to eliminate them, period. Not try to fix them so they bring you joy. Just get rid of them. Now, the things that bring you happiness or you think bring you happiness, contentment, those things you need to actually take a deep dive look into whether they actually do something for you, like a plus or negative. Some things are window dressing. Some things are really important. So make sure you know what actually brings you joy and what actually brings things to you. Find out more about how I can help you become your better you with tips for improved living that are quick to digest and simple to implement at the website, yourbetteryou.info.